In this video, we will learn how to personalize the interface of Excel 365. This helps create a more intuitive and efficient working environment, making it easier to navigate and understand your data. We will explore specific features that allow customization of the Excel interface, focusing on the quick access toolbar, the ribbon, and various theme settings. We start by learning how to modify the quick access toolbar. This toolbar is located at the top of the Excel window and can be customized to include your most frequently used commands. By adjusting this toolbar, you can save time and improve your workflow by keeping essential functions readily accessible. Next, we will change and organize the commands displayed in the ribbon. The ribbon includes tabs like Home, Insert, and Page Layout, which provide access to formatting tools and other functions. Customizing this section allows you to group commands in a way that best suits your working style and needs. We also examine the Page Layout section, where we can modify the background and other layout options to better suit your preferences. This is especially useful when preparing data for printing or presentation, as visual clarity can make a significant difference. In the Insert section, we learn how to choose which elements to add to the spreadsheet based on your needs. This allows for a more targeted approach when working with data, ensuring only the relevant tools are shown. Finally, we explore the status bar at the bottom of the Excel window. This area displays real-time statistics such as average, count, minimum, maximum, and sum values. These features help personalize your data analysis experience and provide quick insights without needing to run formulas. By the end of this walkthrough, you will be able to customize your Excel 365 environment to match your individual workflow, increasing both efficiency and comfort during your daily tasks.